Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today, as you can see, we are looking at the iPad Air. As you can tell from the box, I got it in blue, and this is the 11-inch variant in 128 gigabytes, M3 chip, Wi-Fi only. So let's get the box open. Now, as usual, we've got two pull tabs. That's one. That's two. Let's just flip it over. And straight away we've got the iPad on top in this protective paper with this pull tab. Now that's really light just by picking it up. As usual, we've got usual booklets and stuff. I don't think there's going to be any Apple stickers. Just have a look. No Apple stickers, but we do get a braided USB-C cable. So for now, we're going to put this to one side. And here we go, guys, the iPad Air M3, as I said, in sky blue. Do they call it sky blue, or is it just blue? I'm thinking of my MacBook Air, obviously. So now the reason why I'm carefully taking this out is because I tend to keep the protective paper for if the time comes, if I have an upgrade, I can put it back in almost as neat as I can. Now this is probably going to be the cleanest it's ever looked, but let's just pull it out. Now here's the colour on the iPad itself. You let me know on screen if that looks blue to you. To me it looks very, very subtle, but as I tilt it, you can see hints of blue. Here's a comparison between this and the MacBook Air in sky blue. To me they look very similar, but I think this is more blue to me. And just for a very quick comparison before we set it up, here's the iPad mini in purple. Look at the size difference. So we've got 11 inches, 8.3 inches. I had to quickly think about the size there. But if I quickly stack these, there's the difference. Just to give you guys an idea of which potential size you may want to go for. But of course, with the mini, it's the A17 Pro chip, whereas this is the M3 chip. Anyway, back to the iPad Air. Now let's just wait as it turns on. That was really fast, so we're going to swipe up. Going to have English, United Kingdom, setting language. It's probably going to ask me for Wi-Fi in a minute as well. The password, obviously. Appearance, we'll have it set to default. Settle without another device for now. There we go. I'll be right back while I do my Wi-Fi. Okay guys, we are back. I've just done the Wi-Fi, and now we are obviously carrying on setting it up. So Touch ID, yeah, sure, why not? Personally, I think it would be better with Face ID. What do you guys think? No. Continue. I pressed the button too hard. You shouldn't really be pressing it. Move finger slightly between scans. Okay. Continue. And for now, we're only going to be adding one fingerprint for speed purposes to get through this. Now, for now, I'm just going to do a simple one for, you know, just to get in, but this won't be my actual one. Never ever do a password like this. Use anyway. Let's see, don't transfer anything. And I'll be right back while I sign in. Okay guys, we're now signed in and now we're on the next screen, so don't share. Apple Intelligence, so later. I'm not sure why it's thinking about it. There we go. Siri, same thing. And we're on the last screen now. Welcome to iPad Guys. And there we go. This is the home screen. And I've immediately noticed that the app Clips isn't on the iPad. Well, and for those that don't know, that recently got discontinued, so that might be part of the reason. Or has it never been on the iPad? Not really sure. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. And as I say, this is the 11-inch. And we're going to do another quick comparison to my Mini. Now that is a huge screen difference now. But again, which do you actually prefer? Because obviously I've got the MacBook Air as well. But to go alongside it, which would you use? Obviously one's in blue and the other one's in purple. Personally, I've always used this one because it's easy to hold in one hand. But I don't know. I think I might prefer the 11-inch to go alongside it. This is what it looks like from the side view. Both are absolutely razor thin, but obviously if you've got the iPad Pro, that's even thinner. And just like the Mini, the features are pretty much identical. For example, we've only got two speakers as opposed to the quad speaker setup on the Pros. Touch ID on both. The only real difference is the chipset. So technically, this one can do more. But what I've always found bizarre is why, I know nobody uses the cameras, but why does the Mini get a flash and the Air doesn't? I don't understand that. And obviously with the Air, as you can see by the pins at the bottom, this is compatible with the Magic keyboard. This one isn't, although you can have a Bluetooth keyboard on this if you really want to, but to me it's too small of a screen for that. But in a pinch, I suppose you can do. But also, which colour do you actually prefer? I know it's two different screen sizes, but which would you go for? blue or purple, because you can still get purple in the Air as well, because all the colour choices are identical as well. But I don't know, I think I prefer the 11-inch. And obviously you could go for an 11-inch Pro as well for those that need it, but that does cost way more. But yeah, let me know. So yeah, thank you for watching my unboxing and quick setup, as well as the comparison to the iPad mini. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.